Hello everyone, in today's video we're going to see how you can claim daily credit on Temu. So it's pretty simple. Now Temu keeps emailing you about credit that you can claim as well. Since if you've got an account on Temu, they link you with their email, so they email you sometimes if you've got free credit or anything. Now as you can see right here, I've opened Temu right now and I've got this £100 coupon bundle which is available to be claimed. So just like this, sometimes when you open your Temu app, you can claim daily credit just like this. It pops up as soon as you open your Temu application. And as you can see, you can just simply press on claim now to claim your daily credit. So whenever you open your Temu app on a new day, you can get daily credit like this, which will pop up as soon as you open your app. And then you'll just press on claim now and it will be applied in your Temu account. Now as you can see right here, this was your £100 coupon bundle. For example, you can see for orders over £50 you can get £25 off, orders over £75 you can get £15 off, and another coupon for orders over 75 that get £15 off. And as you can see right here, they've got a limit that it ends in 1 day 13 hours. So this is how you get your free daily credit on Temu. Sometimes they give you an extra gift as well. As you can see, an amazing offer, and you can claim it right now by pressing on claim now. And these are some types of mini games that Temu do as well. As you can pick one of these eggs, and this also helps you claim daily credit on Temu. And these pop up on the screen themselves. You won't need to do much. It will pop up on the screen itself once you open the Temu app. Now for example, I'm opening this. And for now I've missed it, but sometimes you can claim daily credit in these types of mini games and they can give you credit themselves as well. Thanks for watching and subscribe for more.